Welcome. Hope everyone had a great holiday, great Christmas. Hope you're ready to get back to work. All right. Let's go ahead and take a look at the markets. Welcome back. Welcome back, guys. Welcome. All right. Let's get right to it. All right. You guys know we have sell signals on the equity markets. All right. So we have sell signals on the equity markets. All right. So on the S&P, guys, we have a sell signal. So if we look here, all right, Monster Market Tracker, we have a sell signal here on the S&P. We do have green candles coming in. If we can break through resistance up here, which is right at 6,093, we could get another buy signal. All right, but we'll wait on that. Okay, so sell signal on the S&P. On the Dow, we also have a sell signal. All right. So on the Dow right here, hold on. On the Dow right here, we've got a sell signal on the Dow right here. On the Russell, we also have a sell signal. And we'll take a look at big picture this evening. Okay. So on the Russell, the IWM, we also have a sell signal right here. All right, trading below that previous resistance line. The only index that's holding firm is the NASDAQ, okay? So if we look here on the NASDAQ, all right, so buy signal here, no sell signal, no red candle. So NASDAQ is holding well. All right, was down for the day, but holding well. All right, the VIX tried to make a move higher last week, got above 20. I think it got all the way up to about 27. All right, let's take a look here. Right here. Yeah, 20, 29 as a matter of fact. 27, 28 right here. All right, let's take a look at the candle here. All right, high 28.32, now at 14. Okay, so we're back in low volatility. That's good for equities. But right now, guys, we're still holding on that sell signal. If we can get buyers to come back in, especially on the S&P, we get a buy signal on the S&P, buy signal on the Dow. All right, we don't really need a buy signal on small caps, the IWM, the Russell. But if we can get a buy signal on the S&P and the Dow, we'll call the buy signal another buy signal. But just remember, guys, we're at the end of the of the Christmas rally. All right, so we're coming towards the end. This is it of the Christmas rally. So expect some selling to come in. All right, expect some selling to come in. As far as the sectors, most of the sectors are down, and we'll take a quick look at the individual sectors. All right, so we only have 4 sectors that are up. All right, we'll take a look at those, but most of the sectors here are down. The Dow was up, slightly up for the day. NASDAQ was down, S&P was down, and the IWM, the Russell, was up for the day. Okay. As far as the sectors, let's go through these quickly. All right, consumer communication services is number 1 right now, guys. So buy signal here. All right, a bit of a pullback here. White candles, buyers are coming back in. So that sector is still holding firm. Tech, all right, big red candle to close. All right, that sector, we got buyers coming back in. We'll see what it does. All right, tech, if it can break through that resistance here. All right, and we'll take a look at the Mag 7 stocks also. Okay, so tech, not bad. All right, big candles came in, but right, nice recovery here, looking to break through here. That's the NASDAQ. Consumer discretionary buy signal here, holding firm. All right, consumer discretionary. Telecom, all right, had a big red candle, so sell signal. and buy signal all the way down here for telecom. Right, red candle, buyers are coming back in. We'll keep an eye on telecom. The bad thing is we just don't have a lot of stocks, right, in telecom. All right, so green candles here, and we need to break through that resistance. All the other sectors, guys, are everything down from here are breaking down. All right, so gold, GLD, right, red candles here, sell signal, so that's breaking down. SLV, so silver, guys, sell signal here, all red candles breaking down. Biotech, breaking down, red candles, sellers are coming in. Home builders, breaking down. All right, all that red, right, coming on down. Materials, look at materials coming down. All right, too soon to short though, so be careful shorting. Energy, guys, breaking down, sellers here. All right, so just be careful if you're long. Financial sell signal here, trying to hold the trend. All right, but sell signal should be out of that sector. Industrials breaking down, red candles, sellers there. Consumer staples, red candles, sellers right here. Real estate right here. All right, staples right here. Real estate right here. Utilities, all right, red candles here in the markdown phase. And then healthcare, look at healthcare. Okay, so be careful with these sectors overall. Just be careful with equities overall. Okay, if you're going to trade, right, perhaps tech, all right, but really pay attention to each individual trade. Okay, currently in the futures market, futures are down. The dollar, a bit of a pullback, but boy, look at the dollar move higher here. The dollar index. Buy signal came in right here at 102, guys. We're at 107. All right, big move in the dollar so far. We'll take a look at big picture. The not so good news though on the dollar indexes, on the dollar pairs rather, on the smaller time frame. So we'll take a look at the dollar pairs on the 60-minute time frame. I think they're holding firm on the 240, but 60-minute has been has had a lot of noise on the 60-minute time frame. All right, on both the dollar pairs and the yen pairs. Okay, Monster Forex tracker. So we've got good volatility on the daily time frame here. On the 240, right, good volatility, decent volatility on the 240, same on the 60-minute time frame. We just need more direction on the yen pairs. Now, yen pairs have been doing fairly well on the 240 right here. We have buyers on the daily. We need more buyers to come in on the 240 and definitely on the 60-minute time frame here. Everywhere else is a bit choppy, so just be careful. The dollar pairs, surprisingly, even with the dollar index moving higher, the dollar pairs have been choppy again, on especially on the 60-minute time frame. Okay, let's take a look at big picture. All right, on the Dow weekly time frame, guys, buy signal here, still holding firm on the weekly time frame. That doesn't mean we can't pull back down to that moving average. Okay, so just keep an eye on that. All right, Dow weekly holding firm. Monthly time frame. All right, buy signal here, holding solid on the monthly time frame. No red candles, not even a white candle in sight. All right, the S&P, all right, buy signal here, S&P holding firm, weekly time frame, and on the monthly time frame, S&P looks really, really good. Look at this, guys, all-time high territory here on the S&P. No real pullback on the S&P on the monthly time frame right here. NASDAQ holding firm right at the all-time highs on the NASDAQ. Best performing sector, guys. NASDAQ is the best performing index, okay? Best performing index right here on the NASDAQ, right at, was that 20, right at 20,000, close at the high. All right, so great move on the NASDAQ on the weekly, and look at NASDAQ on the monthly time frame here. All right, so great move. All right, Coy, welcome. All right. New to trading, good job. Welcome. All right. So NASDAQ, guys, monthly time frame. Look at that. Okay. Look at that. Big move here. On the Russell small cap. We know we've been struggling, guys, with the Russell. All right. Here we are. All-time highs right here on the Russell. Right. Really difficult trading here. We've been trying to break through that resistance right here, guys. Long-term resistance going back all the way to 2021 right here. Here we are again, current time right here. All right, really struggling to get past this big resistance here. Pull back here, and here we are last week. Well, yeah, last week here. This is the current week here. Hey, Michael, welcome, Michael. All right, green candle here, so we're looking to a breakthrough again. But just remember, small caps, guys, have been very, very difficult. So our stock boss traders, just be careful, all right? Trade lightly, be careful. If we get a break through that resistance, okay, we could see small caps moving again, stock boss moving again. All right, so weekly time frame on the Russell. And then monthly time frame on the Russell. All right. So we were looking for a big push higher. We did get that push, right, on a break of this resistance here on the Russell monthly time frame. I actually got a buy signal, big buy signal here. But look here. Current month, we are trading below that resistance level. That's concerning, especially coming towards the end of that Christmas rally. All right. So just be aware of that. VIX, as I mentioned, VIX made a big move this month, high around right at 28 on the VIX. That's high volatility. It's now at 1473. So we got new low volatility. That's a better environment for equities. All right, we want low volatility. Okay, so we're somewhat in the middle area, guys. All right, so we know the NASDAQ is doing well. S&P buyers are coming back in the S&P. Dow is sellers are still in control there on the S&P and on the Russell. But I'm sorry, on the Russell and the Dow sellers are here. Red candles here. S&P and the NASDAQ buyers are trying to come in. But again, this is a concern. We need these indexes to shape up. Okay. All right, the Mag 7, Magnificent 7. Let's take a quick look at those. Apple, guys, Apple, just amazing move in Apple. All right, amazing how these trends turn. Apple, guys, finally really breaking out. We saw a similar move in Tesla. All right, Tesla pulled back a bit, but Apple is really moving, right, really breaking out. All right, so it broke out of resistance right here. Let's take a look. All right, good resistance here. All right, so this is where we had sellers here, and through here. Broke out, buy signal here. All right, on Apple, buy signal, a blue arrow here, and trading up nicely on Apple. Okay, so Apple looks good. All right, Google, let's take a look at Google here. Buy signal here, finally got past resistance. We had some sellers came in and just holding here for now. All right, NVIDIA, very difficult trading with NVIDIA, guys. So since October is right here. You guys can see that. Buy signal was here on a break of resistance. Hasn't done much. Okay, so it's consolidated right below what was that? 150, a range between 150 and about 130 right here. It's range bound. So nothing to do here, right? If we get back into NVIDIA in a big way, we'll look for a break of resistance here. But just remember, we currently have a sell signal, and these are on the daily time frame. All right, so NVIDIA is there. We did Microsoft. Microsoft, guys, buy signal here. All right, waiting to break through that resistance. It did recover. Buy signal here. Green candles are coming in, so buyers are coming back in. It was nice to have a cup on hand. If we can have a cup on handle right here, that would be great. And then break through. Meta, Facebook, let's take a look here. Consolidating much like NVIDIA. All right, buy signal here, just holding at resistance. Nothing to do there. Amazon looks good. All right, so Amazon, your Mag 7, right here. Buy signal here, finally broke through that resistance and moving up nicely here. It is now in the markup phase. All right, and it's looking to break through that resistance. If you got in near that buy signal on that break of resistance, all right, if it break further resistance here, right, this might be an opportunity to add right here. Hold on. So we have resistance right here. Right here. All right, so price is being squeezed there. Got a triangle forming all green candles. Break through that resistance. We could get, you could perhaps add to that position. Buy signal came in right at around 190, trading at 227. And Tesla, we've been really having some fun, guys, trading Tesla. All right, buy signal came in on a break of this resistance on the daily time frame. We send out some videos on the smaller time frames too. 30-minute, 60-minute, even some day trades on the 5-minute. That's done really well. What's that? 263 was the buy signal, trading now at 454. Just great trading here. Buy signal here moving up nicely in the markup phase. All right, nothing to do there. All green candles. Let it run if you're in it. All right, again, on the daily time frame. All right, if it breaks through that resistance right here, we could see buyers come in heavy, guys. So I would say round number about 500, we could see buyers come in really, really heavy. Okay, so about $500 round number, we could see buyers come in and really push Tesla higher, okay? But our resistance, near-term resistance is right here, okay? So overall, not bad, all right? Not bad for the Mag 7s, and that will help, right? That will help the NASDAQ. That will help not only the NASDAQ, but also the S&P, all right? So if you see the NASDAQ right here, see NASDAQ here, all-time highs, all right? No pullback in the NASDAQ on the weekly and on the monthly. See monthly candles here. All right, so that will definitely help. All right, you know, we would think, well, we need the we need the equity markets, right? The indexes to help the Mag 7s. As a matter of fact, it's the other way. We need the Magnificent 7 to push the equity markets, these sectors. Okay. All right, Bitcoin. Let's take a look at the Bitcoin. Bitcoin, guys, retraced a bit. When that selling came in, that really affected Bitcoin. So Bitcoin had made a high, what was it, 107,000, all right, dollars a share. We'll call it a share, right? Or Bitcoin, 107. Right now, it's at 95,000. Okay, now it is pulling back. We do have support, so keep an eye on this on the daily time frame. Now, Bitcoin has made a big move. Okay, I'm not saying that it's done. The high was here. Here we are here, but we have support at 90,000. Again, those round numbers. All right, so 90,000. You've got good support here. All right, so far we're making lower highs, lower lows. So we went from 107, all right, 106, 101, 98, 95, all right, right here is 92, 91. So if the price continues to move lower, notice we're making lower highs, lower lows. We've got support here. If it breaks through that support, we do have white candles coming in. All right, if that's followed by red candles, we could break through a big support here and then come on lower. All right, so we do have still have our buy signal here. All right, our buy signal was right at 65,000. Okay, so just be aware of that on the daily time frame here. Okay. On the weekly time frame, still holding firm on the weekly time frame, and on the monthly time frame, I don't think we have anything here on the monthly. Big resistance here on the monthly here. This is what happened last month, right? That big pop last month, right? Got past around 60, 69, 70,000, right? So 1 month, all of that buying came in, made a high here, and now it's pulling back a bit. So we have to keep an eye on that, okay? Not a major concern yet, all right? Not a major concern, but it needs to hold, all right? Bitcoin needs to hold in order to make another move higher, okay? So it's got to hold here on the weekly and absolutely needs to hold here on the daily time frame, okay? If we bring in a trend line, we could see, right, not a perfect trend line here, but we could do something like this. All right, so it needs to hold that trend line, hold that support. So just remember, 90,000, that's a big support area there. The dollar index, buy signal here, weekly time frame is moving up higher. All right, it is moving up higher. We see it here on the daily time frame. It is moving up higher, but not helping out too much with the dollar pairs, okay? Especially on the smaller time frame. But that's good for the dollar. All right, that's really, really good for the dollar. I don't know what the all-time high is on the dollar index, but the highest we have so far right here is right here. I'm not saying that it will make it all the way. This is 113, right? So here we are here, buy signal here, trading at, what did we say, 108. It shows 108 there. 107.80. So it's moving back and forth. All right, but it is breaking out here. Okay. Pound yen is breaking out here. So our monster scalper traders and even our Forex dominator traders will go through those systems. All right. So really keep an eye on the yen pairs. All right. So pound yen weekly time frame finally broke out of this downward trend line here, got past this triangle here, moving up nicely. The high is right here. So that's really good news for pound yen. On the monthly time frame, right, we're still at a big resistance area here on pound yen monthly time frame, so we need to break out, okay? All right, yen is holding here, looks to break support. If the yen in the futures market break through that support, and it is trying to break through, all right, right now, you guys can see that here, right? Trying to break through now in that weekly time frame right here, right? We'll see the pound yen move higher, okay? Bonds breaking lower, not good for rates. All right, that is not good for rates. Gold is holding. Silver is holding, broke support here. Previous resistance becomes support on the weekly time frame. Silver is in trouble. All right, silver is in trouble. Gold is holding. It is holding that trend line, all green candles here. But silver, all right, is trading below, right, support. Remember, this is where sellers came in before. Here, we could actually count this, right? Even here is where it struggled, and here we are right now, okay? So if it doesn't hold, right, this resistance level, we could see silver come on down. Crude oil, nothing there, okay? So no trading in crude oil, guys. It's in a tight consolidation, going back quite a ways, all right? All the way back to about 2000, end of 2022, it's been in a tight range. All right, so traders that are trying to trade crude oil, guess what? All right, very, very tough market for several years. This is it. This is the range in crude oil. Not much there. Okay, all right, all of 2024, this is it. All right, very, very tight range. No money to be made there. All right. Let's go to current positions, and we're still on time. Current positions in Monster Scalper. And we'll take a quick look at current equities positions. Bull Master, guys, we still have several positions. Bull Master is trading the best trading system right now. All right. All right. So Bull Master, Stock Boss, we don't have as many stocks. Bull Master Pro, we've trimmed a bit there. Okay, so let's go through these current positions. In Monster Scalper for Forex, we have one long. I've mentioned that the long, the 60 minutes it's been frustrating. Euro New Zealand, all right, buy signal here, sell signal, right? We did not call this, so we should be out. Euro New Zealand, out of that trade. No shorts on the 60-minute time frame. All right. Hopefully, I don't anticipate. Well, you never know. You never know what will happen with the 60-minute time frame. On the 240, we should have better trading here on the 240 in Monster Scalper. Let's take a look. Most of these trades are in the yen pairs and on the dollar pairs. So Swiss yen. All right, so Swiss yen, and we did call some new buy signals this evening. So Swiss yen, buy signal here, sell signal here. We've got a new buy signal on Swiss yen. That is good. We need to break through that resistance here. All right, and we just took a look at pound yen. You guys know what's going on. Pound yen is breaking out. That will help. All right, that will help these yen pairs, okay? So Swiss yen, bought here, sold here, buy signal here. We need to break through that resistance there. Swiss yen. SGD, JPY, your Singapore dollar yen. All right, same thing here. Bought here, sold here, buy signal here. We need to break through. Strong resistance here. So I would trade lightly, all right, until you break through that resistance. Hopefully we break through, and then you can add after, right, it breaks through that resistance, get past sellers there, okay? All right, but guys, we could see a big pop. No guarantees, but we could see where these yen pairs really break out in a big way, okay? All right, euro yen. All right, good markdown phase. Look at this markdown phase, guys. All right, bought here, sold here, bought here, sold here, buy signal here, and really setting up to break through that resistance. Okay, so Monster Scalper traders, really pay attention to your trades, okay? These new trades, this was a new one that we called, all right? So be aware of that. All right, so euro yen. CAD yen, now they're jumping around right now. Buy signal here, sell signal, no. We can remove this, no buy signal. So sell signal, CAD yen, all right, remove that, please. Aussie yen, buy signal here, sell signal. Aussie yen has been difficult. All right, lots of consolidation. Look at that, guys. Very horrible trading with Aussie yen. I have no idea what's going on with Aussie, all right, with that market. But Aussie yen, lots of consolidation. Look at that. All right, so just leave it alone for now. Aussie yen. All right, there are times when Aussie yen will trade well. Pound yen trading well. All right, so pound yen, good markdown phase, buy signal here, right, trading up nicely. We sent a chart in our school community on pound yen yesterday. There's a big move. Now it did retrace, but it made a move all the way down up here. And it's pulled back a bit, but still holding for now, okay? But from here, 192, 197, that's how many pips? It's 500 pips, right? Yeah, 500 pips, guys. So hopefully we can break through here and keep moving higher. Again, pound yen on the weekly time frame, look what it's doing here, okay? So we are hoping that it can break through that resistance, just like it did here, but this time hold and continue to move higher. Dollar yen, buy signal here, sell signal. I know this is hard to move. That's a great trade here for about, what's that? 151, 155, almost 500 pips there, okay? 150, 156, almost 500 pips. Good trade in here, should be out. If it gives another buy signal here, guys, on the break of this resistance, or we'll call it, so remove it for now. Dollar Yen, great trade in there. HKD, JPY, bought here, sold here, great trade here. Tons of pips. New buy signal here, breaking out to the upside. HKD, JPY, 240, good trade in there. TRY, JPY, buy signal here, all green candles. Now it's made it to its target, which is resistance here. We're looking for more, all right? So hopefully, all right, we can see buyers come back in. Now, I wouldn't fault you guys if you want to take profits here. That's fine. Take profits. That's fine also. TRY, JPY. We have some dollar pairs. All right, USD, PLN, buy signal here, sell signal, close the trade. All right, really needed this to break through that resistance. I'm telling you, these dollar pairs, all right, dollar index is doing well, but these pairs are not, don't want to break out. USD, CZK, buy signal here. All right, red candle, sell signal right at that resistance level. Close the trade, please. That's really too bad on these dollar pairs. They should be moving higher. USD, DKK, buy signal here on a big break of resistance. Big candles came in, big buyers. Broke support here, sell signal. Okay, that's what the dollar pairs are choosing to do right now. USD, DKK, not a decent trade there. All right, USD, SEK. All right, buy signal here, sell signal. Horrible trade there. Close the trade. Look at the chart here. Why are the dollar pairs doing this? I mean, look at this, guys. Why are the dollar pairs? This is the 240. Why are the dollar pairs doing this when the dollar index is doing this? All right, crazy. I mean, these dollar pairs will follow the dollar index to a T. All right, and dollar index is moving like this. Nice move, and these dollar pairs, right, they're doing this. I mean, this trade was a really good trade here, but look at this, right? Crazy. USD SEK, just close that for now. Dollar CAD, all right, good trade in dollar CAD. So dollar CAD did well, all right, several good trades. So dollar CAD, let's see here. So bought here, sold here, bought here, sold here, bought here, sold here, bought here, sold here. So dollar CAD is doing well. All right, look at this trade here. All right, so we'll need to see if we can break through that resistance, get another buy signal here with dollar CAD. So keep an eye on dollar CAD, perhaps the best performing dollar pair. Okay, dollar CAD here. We need to close it. All right, wait for a new buy signal. Dollar CAD. USD HUF. All right, buy signal here. Nice breakout, guys. We were looking at this triangle here, good squeeze, right? Good support, downward trend line. We got a big break here, buy signal here, big candles. Look what happened, right? Flattened out, sell signal here. Still a profitable trade, but boy, all right, we need it to continue to move higher. All right. All right. Now we do have some dollar pairs in Forex Dominator on the daily time frame. They should do on the daily time frame. They should do much better. Let's take a look here. So dollar pairs in Forex Dominator on the daily time frame. Let's take a look, and then we'll look at equities. All right, USD and OK. Now this should hold firm. This dollar pair should hold nicely, right, in Forex Dominator on the daily time frame. Buy signal here, USD and OK, right? Big move higher, pull back, holding here. All right, so that's good. USD HUF, big buy signal here, guys, at 365, trading at 394. Tons of pips, all right? We can't even count these pips. This trade has been in here since October. Tons of pips here. Good trading here. Keep an eye, if you in this trade, purple support and resistance, keep an eye on that, okay? But big trade doing well there. USD HUF. USD CNH, all right? So buy signal here, good markdown phase. and moving up nicely. Lots of pips here. Is that almost 3,000 pips, guys? Right, we're looking to break through that resistance here and then move higher. It's holding firm. Nice range bound trade, but we're looking to now break through the range. Okay. USD DKK, great trade going here. Lots of pips, guys. Lots of pips here. Buy signal here. All right. I know it's hard to stay in these trades here on the daily time frame in Forex Dominator, but boy, if you can stay in, it will pay off. All right. Not all the time, but it is paying off now. Buy signal was right here. All right. Good price action, all green candles here. So that's been going on for what? October, so 3 months now. Okay, 3 months. USD DKK, dollar CAD. Look at dollar CAD, guys. Buy signal was here, right here on a break of this resistance. Buy signal here, really doing well. Tons of pips here. All right, lots of pips going on here. Dollar CAD. USD CZK, buy signal here, trading right at resistance, and it is looking to break through. I know it looks messy in here, but we have good support, good resistance. It got past near-term resistance here. All right, now it looks to break through that resistance here. All right, we're getting consolidation in here, just like we did in here. So needed to break through, okay? USD SEK, USD CNH, all right, buy signal here. Again, lots of resistance here. Just remember, sellers are sitting right here. All right, but it is breaking through. We needed to hold and continue to move higher. USD SGD, good markdown phase, beautiful markdown phase, really good markup phase. That's what we want to see. All right, green candles, all green candles, right? Pushing higher there. We need to get past, let's see here, more resistance, which is about, hold on. Right about here. All right, so we have more resistance here, and here we are here, okay? All right, but nothing to do. Let it run. Buy signal here. Good. Look at that. Good charts, guys. Good price action. Boom, boom. All right. All right. And then SGD JPY. That's it here. All right. So unlike the 240, the daily time frame really holding well. Okay. Notice how the different time frames will trade differently at different times. All right, equities. Let's go through equities. We'll start with Stock Boss, and then Bullmaster Pro. Surprisingly, we saw some stocks come in Hitseeker. In both Bullmaster and Stock Boss. We'll take a look at those. About 70 stocks. Okay. Stock Boss, guys, we're looking for green candles only. Okay. If we've got white candles or red candles, we'll close. If we have a white arrow, which is our sell signal by the system, we'll close. Okay. So SUPV. All right. SUPV. Buy signal here, holding. Now, we might go a bit longer since yesterday was the holiday, right? And we didn't go through. Did we do Tuesday? I don't think we did anything on Tuesday. So we might go a few minutes over. All right, AUPH holding. Buy signal here, all green candles there. That's what we want to see. VUZI, look at that, guys. Nice trade going here. It keeps moving higher, doing its own thing. Buy signal came in at 149, guys, trading at 526. Great trade going here. Good risk reward on this one. All right, GBTG, buy signal here. Good price action. All right, so they're holding. PLBY, holding firm. EXFY, buy signal here, holding. All right, so stock boss, not too bad. MVST, buy signal here, big candles came in today, holding firm. Remember, we trimmed up the bad trades though earlier in the month. PRCH, when the sellers came in, buy signal is at 176, great trade going here. 579, good risk reward trade going there. PRCH and RGT. So we had GBTG. We had MVST, and then look at RGTI. Great trades going there. So this trade here, all right. What an amazing trade, guys. You know, we might highlight this trade here. Let me make a note here. I might send this out. RGTI. All right. What's that? 1,500% profit there. The buy signal, guys, came in, and this was October, we call this, right at $1.05, trading at $15. Could you imagine that? 1,500% profit in what? In 90 days? 90 days. Yeah, buy signal came in here, right here. Look at that move. Amazing move higher here. All right, we'll highlight this trade. All right, we might do a video on this trade here. So stock boss, although we've got a few trades here left, they're holding firm in stock boss. Okay. Bull master, let's take a look at bull master here. All right, we'll leave this right here like this. Again, white candles will close. All right, red candles close. White arrow close. Green candles is all we need to see to hold the trade. All right, BYRN, that's holding firm. DECK, remember, our stock boss, guys, these are small caps. We need the Russell, IWM to hold. These bull master stocks, these are large caps, right? Over $10, over $10, okay? And oh, by the way, Michael, you're on here. Congrats, Michael got his bull master. He's gonna get that going there, all right? So, congrats, Michael. Good job, buddy. So bull master, we need green candles, okay? Remember, we need the S&P and the NASDAQ. In particular, the NASDAQ to be moving higher. And just remember, where is the NASDAQ? Right here, guys. The NASDAQ, all-time highs, good price action, very different than the Russell there. All right, on the weekly and on the monthly time frame. All right, so these stocks here in Bull Master should represent those indexes. Okay, UNFI holding firm. All right, that looks good. All right, YPF holding firm, all green candles in Bull Master. GGAL holding firm. LC holding firm in Bull Master. Look at this trade. SLM holding firm in Bull Master. EAT, great trade going here, guys. Buy signal was at 72. Great price action. Let's bring a trend line. Good trade going here. All right, EAT, good trade. GameStop, guys, GameStop is breaking out. Finally, it is breaking out here. Buy signal, 24, trading at 32 there. GameStop, okay? All right, holding. All right, BL, white candles, guys, close this. Now, if we had buy signals on these indexes or even these sectors, we'll hold it, but can't do that. CLS holding. CRDO holding. Holding for now. Holding. FFIV holding firm. KD, all right, holding, guys. Good price action. Keep an eye on the candles here. Daily time frame. Good price action. There, Marvel. Look at Marvel. All right. Buy signal here. Good price action there. All right. PEGA holding. and holding. So Bull Master looks good. Remember, we trimmed out a lot of positions. These are the best that's continuing to hold. Bull Master Pro with fundamentals. So Tesla, TSLA. All right, Tesla buy signal here on the daily time frame, 267, trading at 458. Great trading here. And like I said, we've had some trades on the 30-minute time frame here. All right, on the 60-minute time frame, I think we're waiting for a buy signal on that 60-minute time frame, but the daily time frame performing really, really, really well. Okay, SLM buy signal here, all green candles, nicely in the markup phase there. Here's your trend line. All right, and we've got resistance here, so it's looking to break through that resistance. If you're in it and you got in at that buy signal, which is right here, this could be an opportunity to add to your position, okay? But just be careful, guys. We still have sell signals, right, in this market. Amazon, right, buy signal here, holding, and LRN holding right now. So not too bad for equities, okay? Surprise with Stock Boss, though. Okay, but these are the strong stocks here. Most of the stocks that we're trading though is in our Bull Master. Okay, all right. Let's take a quick look at our E-minis. So E-minis futures, the US 30. Where is it here? Yeah, right here. US 30, guys. We do have a buy signal here on the US 30. All right, it's recovering here. It did break down, broke its trend line here. Okay, so just be careful with the US 30. It looks good. We have a buy signal, and we need to break through that resistance here. We need buyers to come in on the daily time frame. All right, but good markdown phase. It's definitely due for a move higher, okay? The NAS 100, all right, NAS 100 has a purple support and resistance, and I think Anthony put a message to watch out for this. Absolutely, you want to watch out for it, okay? So he put a message in the school community to keep an eye on it, all right? If we see buyers come in, we have purple support and resistance. Now, the daily time frame looks good, guys. All right, we have buyers here on that daily. We break through that resistance, right? It could really get going, but just keep an eye on it here. Buy signal was here, but we get a white candle coming in here. Purple support and resistance, so it might be overbought for now. All right, we need a target here. And S&P, all right, S&P long, right? Buy signal here. Same thing here, purple support and resistance. All right, buyers are coming back in on that daily. All right, right here. So, all right, just trade these lightly for now, okay? All right, defense. Okay. All right, Stock Boss. We're going to run Stock Boss and Bull Master. We're going to run Heat Seeker. See how they're doing now. I ran these earlier. We had 72. So 72 stocks in Stock Boss. Let's take a quick look here. Just look here at the price action. So buyers are coming back in. I just want to take a quick look. Not bad here. All right, that's not bad. That's not bad. That's not bad here. All right, so we're starting to get some movement. But again, we need the Russell to really start moving. So we have a few good stocks in here, in Stock Boss. Not bad. And 72 is a lot for Stock Boss. It's the end of the week, so we will not send out. And that's not bad. I'm shocked. I think we're in that one. We're in this one here. Even on the monthly, some of these are giving buy signals. See here, buy signal here. All right, good trade here. KULR, guys, that gave a buy signal at, what's that, 34 cents, trading at $4 and 80 cents. What's that, 1,100% profit? All right, big trade here. Weekly time frame, look at the weekly, look at the monthly. But we didn't call that trade. Look at that there. All right, so not bad. Not bad. We're starting to see some action there in stock boss. Bull master, let's run it. What time is it? Okay, we're still on track. So bull master, let's run it here. 74 in bull master. We'll go through this quickly. All right, good price action. All right, good. We expect that in bull master, right? Right. Remember the NASDAQ, right? All right. Buy signal here. Good price action there. All right. No surprise. All right. Bull master. Look at good trades here. This is your daily. So look here, right? We need our weekly and our monthly to support. All right. The overall trend. All right. So. If we get, I think if we get a buy signal on the S&P, guys, we'll call a buy signal in the market. These stocks are looking really good. We got good breadth underneath. They're buying, they're back buying again. That's for sure. And the VIX came down to 14, so we've got low volatility. Look at these stocks. Look at that. Look at that. All right. All right. So we might send out alerts probably on Sunday. We're in that one here. Good price action. Bullmaster Pro. Relative, let's see, new highs, relative strength at new highs. Not much here. Not much here. Look at this, guys. Look at all of that red in here today on Bullmaster Pro. I wonder what's going on here. Okay. Wonder what's going on here. This stock should do a lot better. Should be doing much better here. All that red, and these stocks have good fundamentals. Okay, so we'll keep an eye on this. This should be, a lot of these should be up. Oh, I see what happened. Okay, so they're down from the selling we had. All right, we just haven't had enough buying. So they were up for the day. Right? We just need more buy-in to change these from down to blue. Okay, not a big deal. Okay, that's after that selling, all that selling that came in, guys, last week there. Okay. All right. We don't have any trades, I don't believe, in Monster Scalper here. I don't think we've got anything on the 60-minute. Let's go through this quickly, and then we'll be done. So Monster Scalper, Forex, 60 minutes. I don't think we've got anything. I tell you, 60 minutes, been very choppy. I would say wait on the yen pairs for the next round. Okay, Wait for the next round of buying. Okay. Dollar pairs on the 60-minute long. Nothing. Absolutely nothing. Look at all of that consolidation, guys. Nothing on that 60 minutes. 60 minutes is right here. Absolutely nothing. All right. Now, just keep in mind, you know, holidays like this, right, Forex will, right, go flat. Right, light volatility. So nothing here, guys, nothing. Across the board on the 60-minute time frame. On the 240, I think we're set. Okay. Pounds are... So we did send out some alerts earlier this evening in the yen pairs. So on the 240 Swiss yen, right here, Swiss yen. So this is a buy signal here on Swiss yen. That's reaccumulation. Trade there. Here's your markdown. Here's your markup. All right, here, buy signal here, we're looking to a breakthrough. All right, and you guys know what's going on with pound yen, big move, big macro moves. We're looking for a break. So this was added prior to class this evening. Swiss yen, and then we had CAD yen. Was it CAD yen? CAD yen. Was it CAD yen? Hold on. I'm sorry. Hold on. Swiss yen, euro yen. I'm sorry, euro yen. Let's find it. Euro yen. All right, euro yen. We have a buy signal here. All right, and it's moving up nicely there. Resistance is here. Good markdown phase. A decent markup phase, guys. All right, and we're looking for a breakout. So if you guys are looking for some opportunities, no guarantee there. 240 euro yen. So Swiss yen, euro yen. And we've already sent those alerts out. HKD JPY right here. All right, so we got past good trading here. Good markdown, good markup, buy signal here, sell signal, reaccumulation, buy signal here. And we're looking for another move higher right here. Okay, HKD JPY. And then the last one we added, SGD JPY. All right, so good markdown phase, fairly decent trading through the markup phase. All right, so bought here, sold here, bought here, sold here, buy signal here, and now we are breaking out, okay? So 3 trades we added. That's about it. Stay away, guys, from the 60-minute time frame for now on any of the on the pairs, okay? So just stay away from those. Equities, just be careful with equities. We still need a buy signal. I know we've got low volatility, right? Your heat seekers are moving again for Stock Boss and Bullmaster. But we need, if we can get, all right, if we can get the S&P to give us a buy signal. NASDAQ is already solid in a buy signal. If we can get the S&P to give us a buy signal tomorrow or probably next week, Monday, Tuesday, we get, you know, some of these sectors here recover. All right, we might call a buy signal. So not saying you guys can't trade, right? Your systems, just be careful. Trade lightly. Okay? All right, guys. Again, hope everyone had a great holiday. Thanks for coming this evening. And I look to see you guys on Sunday. All right. Take care.